Atrix Omega Supreme Plus H13 HEPA Vacuum. Sealed filtration, truth for fine particle safety. You finish cleaning toner from a laser printer, step back and notice fine black dust settling on every surface around you, the desk, the keyboard, even your shirt. Your vacuum just blew half the particles straight through its filter and into the air you're breathing. That subtle burning sensation in your throat, it's not just you. Every tech who's cleaned a dozen printers without real HEPA filtration knows that feeling. You've lost count of how many times you've vacuumed electronic equipment only to find dust redeposited everywhere an hour later. The mental drain of knowing you're inhaling metallic particles, toner powder, and fiberglass fragments builds quietly over months until the cough doesn't go away. A field service tech mentioned he developed chronic respiratory irritation after 5 years of using standard shop vacs on copiers. Hope exists. The Atrix Omega Supreme Plus H13 HEPA electronic vacuum enters the conversation as the tool designed specifically for what conventional vacuums cannot handle safely. Don't just buy any electronic service vacuum. Make sure it has certified H13 HEPA filtration with a sealed airflow system so you never suffer from fine particle recirculation and respiratory exposure during toner cleanup or electronic dust removal again. The difference is immediately tangible. A copier service technician described cleaning a production copier's fuser assembly and noticing the exhaust air felt cool and odorless, unlike his previous vacuum that left a visible haze in the room. The sealed cartridge collection system means you remove and cap the full cartridge without a single puff of toner escaping. No exposure during disposal, no cleanup after cleanup. An IT technician cleaning server racks mentioned holding his hand over the exhaust port and feeling nothing but clean, filtered air while vacuuming years of accumulated electronic dust from heat sinks and fan assemblies. The electronic suction control adjusts power for delicate circuit boards or aggressive debris pickup. Here's the small detail nobody mentions. The brush nozzle's bristles are precisely angled to dislodge electrostatically charged toner without dispersing it before capture.
Your workflow transforms from cautious and messy to confident and controlled. Toner cartridge replacements that used to leave black residue on your hands and tools now finish with zero contamination because the sealed system captures particles at the source and holds them through disposal. Setup time for cleaning a multifunction printer drops from 15 minutes of prep and containment to under 3 minutes. Hose, brush nozzle, vacuum, done. A facilities manager at a data center mentioned, "We used to avoid cleaning server racks during business hours because the dust clouds were embarrassing. Now we clean anytime because the exhaust is cleaner than the room air." An occupational health specialist testing the Omega Supreme's exhaust with a particle counter noted readings consistent with clean room-grade air during active toner cleanup. The HEPA filter removes more particles than ambient air contains. The portable design fits in service vehicles alongside toolboxes without dominating cargo space, and the carrying handle makes stair navigation manageable even after a long day. Replacement cartridges last about a month under daily service use, and changing them takes under 60 seconds with zero mess. Growing demand from compliance-driven industries, healthcare, governments, education means availability tightens seasonally, especially during Q4 budget cycles when facility managers stock up. Which feature matters most to your daily work? The sealed cartridge safety, the certified H13 filtration, or the electronic suction control? Real users report the sealed disposal system as the single feature that changed their relationship with toner service entirely. Stock availability shifts as service organizations transition from general-purpose vacuums to certified HEPA systems ahead of tightening workplace safety enforcement. Join the field techs, IT professionals, and facility teams who've quietly upgraded their respiratory protection while improving cleanup efficiency. The Atrix Omega Supreme Plus H13 HEPA electronic vacuum replaces the compromises you've been accepting with a sealed, certified system designed specifically for fine particle containment. Check current availability and detailed specs through the affiliate link in the description. Transparent disclosure: I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, supporting honest technical content. Your lungs don't get a second chance.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.